So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have been away. I told you I had made a shorts video that saying that I was busy with something. So it's this application of MTech and interviews and writing SOPs and all. So I was busy with that. So I couldn't make videos. So I will continue with algorithm only, and after that TOC. So it will take some time. So I have told you to bear with me. So today's video is about me. Or you can say my journey. So actually where to start? So I passed school in 2013 HS I had science, obviously BTech, so science group, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and the fifth subject I took computer science. Then joint was there at WBJE. I took JE main, but my rank wasn't. I never prepared for joint, so I didn't get that much marks also. So joint in West Bengal joint, I took I got some rank. I don't even remember the exact digit anyway. So I took admission in Netaji Subhash Engineering College. This is in Kolkata. Okay, so this college I took admission in IT, Information Technology. So in this college I took admission. Then like everyone else, I started my BTech journey. So in first year also, when we was in first year, I thought, so everyone has something like yes, after BTech we should do MBA and also like this. So I have a cousin, second cousin, so he did MBA from XLRI, which is the best obviously. So I asked him, like everyone else, I thought of asking him. He said yes, MBA is a good option. So I thought of doing MBA. So at that point I thought of doing MBA maybe. So at that point, no idea of GATE. It's like first semester of college, first or second semester. It was second semester actually. Some marriage function I went, so there you can say not first semester. So second semester it was. I asked him. He said yes, MBA you can take. So I thought of, let's see, because everyone is doing MBA, and the most important thing is MBA has mathematics as far as I know, and my favorite subject is mathematics other than computer science and physics. So I love mathematics. So and English. So with I was naive about all these things, MBA, MTech, then doing outside MS. So I was it was in second semester, and I know nowadays everyone knows about everything, but I didn't. So it was my flaw. So I thought of MBA then, but then semesters went on, and like I didn't prepare anything for anything. So in fifth semester I thought of let's say because I was preparing very hard for in my previous video I told you that in from fifth semester onwards I started preparing more the subjects very crucially. So like algorithms I started learning very crucially, but with no GATE, nothing. So then I googled everything and found that MBA costs around 20 to 25 lakhs, which was practically impossible for me, since my father's job was that point of time was not very good, and because of my economical situation, so MBA was out of the question, and same as going outside like USA and GRE and it's everything, it was out of the question for me. So next option was I didn't know about GATE much. So in our college TCS comes. Okay, so now also I think TCS comes for placement, for campus placements. So I thought, yeah, I have to get this job. So I was preparing really hard for not placements obviously, just so that I can get more marks. So we had this myth that 8 point something we have to get so that we can get placed in TCS. So at least it wasn't true, okay, because it requires, I guess, 6.75, just the passing marks, I guess. You have to check the website, but not 8, not at all 8. So this is actually a whole myth, not at all 8 point is not required. So I thought I have to get 8 point, and also I was preparing very hard, and so then obviously so after that placements was in 7th semester, and in 6th sem we had compiler design. So you all know about compiler design, so this is also a subject in GATE. So compiler design, so literally we were nothing, we knew nothing about this compiler design. Everyone in our class were so stressed what to do about this subject compiler design, because we were not getting enough resource. We were scared, because if we fail in this semester, 6th semester, in 7th sem we wouldn't be able to sit for campus placements. Okay, so for that reason we were scared. So we started, my best friend, she found out about Ravi sir's course, not course, she was surfing on YouTube, and she found out Ravi sir's RBR CD lectures, compiler design lectures, and my god, they were great. It's still available, I guess, so they were great. So we just did 18 videos, I guess 18 videos were there. So we did those 18 videos only, and got good marks. So that's it. So I didn't see anything about Ravi sir's course or any GATE, anything like that. So after that, 7th semester we had placements. So I was placed in TCS. Now I just saw that my video was not properly recording. Anyways, my voice was there. So I was placed in TCS. So then and like everyone else, I was, yes, because of my economical situation, I thought I have to go and work TCS very hard, and I'll get something there good, or like everyone else. So it was the end of 7th semester, and my friend told me to register for GATE 2017. Okay, so this was GATE 2017. So I registered without any knowledge what, even if back then if anyone would have asked what is the full form of DLD, I would have been like blank. I don't know what is this full form. So I had no knowledge or anything. So 7th semester was end, and beginning of 8th semester I was not sure I will appear for this exam, but still I did. GATE 2017. So that day was the turning point. Okay, so the first question came. You can see set GATE 2017 set 2. This was my paper. Okay, so this was paper. The first question was very easy. I have already done in one of my videos, I guess. Just finding BFS of a graph. So you can understand how easy this is. Then number 2 question, I save and next. The next question was operating system. From operating system, some waiting time or average time, turnaround time was asked. So I did the NAT chart. Maybe you know or don't know, I haven't studied OS, I don't know about that. So I did the NAT chart. I forgot the formula of waiting time or turnaround time, like this. So think I did not prepare anything, just aptitude I guess I did, because maths was my favorite subject. I did, and I got 11 marks out of 100. And with lot of regrets after coming out from the exam, with lot of regrets, like why didn't I prepare for this exam, why did I take this so like lightly, what else would I have done, like if would have prepared for this exam. So with lot of regret I came back. So it was already 8th semester and I was placed in TCS. I had nothing to do. So after a few days, I remember I watched one video of Ravi sir. You can watch it, please do watch it. Then after, I should write it in another color. After BTech, what should we do? Like MBA, MTech, MS from like USA, UK, Germany, something. Then job also 2 types, product based and then service based. Okay, so like all this he did in a video. Please go and watch it. So he all mentioned all the points but then I understood something, but I wasn't that much confident that I could give up TCS and I would start preparing for GATE. I see those people who know me, I'm not a very confident person, I'm a timid person. I used to never take risks and all, nothing. I used to be at the safe zone, wherever all people are going, I am going blindly. So I was like this, I was like in a flock of sheep. I wasn't yes, just let this go, I will prepare for GATE and do good, etc. So nothing was like that. So this was the problem. I came to know about all this much later, after giving GATE on all. So I would have anyone would have said that give up TCS and all, but because of my economical condition and all, I couldn't. So then after that I joined TCS ILP, the program, training program. So I joined there at Gandhinagar. I joined. So it was good, the learning was good there. So because I was so afraid of everything there, I like coding, I don't know, I used to tell everyone, I used to cry all the time, like there was a cry baby there, I used to cry like I don't know anything. So people used to make fun of me, used to pick at me. So see, because I used to say all these things, they got the opportunity to get back at me and say something horrible to my face. So I remember in a project, we have to do project work there, the MVC architecture, those people who know. So in a project work, in a group project, I was given absolutely no work. Okay, so no work. Even one of my friend told me I was not even good enough to make JSP pages, I will ruin the project, everything. I was given no work. So how humiliating was it? See, it was not their fault, it was my fault, because I gave them this place, because I have told them, went on and told them, I was crying all the time like I don't know anything and all. So this gave the opportunity to them, so that they can take all this, say all this things to me. So I was really humiliating. So apart from that, the thing I was going to say is that in back of the mind I always had, I will prepare for GATE, because in 2017 I took the GATE exam. That's why I thought, I always had in mind that I will prepare for GATE. So one of my friend, actually roommates friend, he actually, I should not call he actually, so he prepared, he didn't took campus placements or didn't get, I don't know. So this person was preparing for GATE with the help of Ravi sir's videos. So I see, after coming back home, not home, there this hostel, TCS hostel. So I used to think, this person is preparing, I should also prepare someday. But I didn't have the courage to just leave TCS and go for this course. Obviously, see, Ravi sir's course is the best. I always wanted to, if I prepare for GATE, I will always prepare for from Ravi sir's videos, because that Siri compiler design videos I watched only that. Okay, another, not all other videos. So like this went. So I was posted in TCS Mumbai. So there, like the whole universe was conspiring against me to leave the job. So I am not blaming anyone. So but the things were not in favor of me. I tried for transfer, gave documentation, I didn't get. So like that, the whole universe was like conspiring against me. All the odds were like coming at me. Everything was just coming going out of my way. So then after that I left TCS in 2018. So I left TCS at 2018. So then I prepared, I took Ravi sir's course. I took Ravi sir's course for GATE 2020. Okay, so because I had very less time for GATE 2019, sorry, 2019, I had very less time. Okay, so I thought of taking 2 years course so that I can have the access to videos for the next year also. So 2019 I prepared. Obviously I did my best. Like, see, I told you I will tell my mistakes in another video, because this is very important. Like, I don't want my mistakes to be repeated by anyone, not like computer science stream, but anyone in general. No one should do the mistakes I did. So what mistakes I did was 2019, like you say, I started with C and DS. I watched all the videos. There are lots of videos, so I watched all the videos, made notes, and without doing nothing I moved on to next subjects like DAA. Okay, so not I did one or two test series, but then moved on to next subject, then next subject, then next, like this I did, but I wasn't fully prepared. But then what mistake I did, I didn't revise, I didn't take the test series properly. So this all, see, test series time was not there with me, but I should have revised at least. So these mistakes I have always told you to revise like a circular queue. Like if you are preparing here something, you should C and DS and then DAA, you should give some time in between here to revise. Like revision should be there. It's very, very important, because if you don't revise at like January, next January will be like nothing, you can recall nothing. So see, GATE is like you have to gain marks by doing the problems. So you don't have to by heart anything, you just, this concept should be in your head. If you forget the concepts, then it will be like disaster. Okay, so I always tell you to do this. So that's why I am telling you, this is a complete disaster. Okay, so if you do not do revision properly, this like this, mine was also disaster. So GATE 2019, sorry, I got, I remember it is 24 point something out of 100. Okay, so I got this, which was not a qualifying marks. So the 20 qualifying marks was 26 or 28, I don't remember, like this, something was like this. I didn't qualify also, so I was very disheartened and that I prepared, but obviously I didn't prepare very well and all, so I was literally disheartened. So that's about 2019. So then like everyone else, my friends, close friends knew that I am preparing GATE and all, so they asked me, so what next, what, so you haven't you should go for job, so just leave the preparation, you should go for job. So with not in a second I thought about going for job, because see, I have prepared a lot, maybe not in a proper way, but I have the concepts in my mind, I have to revise properly. So this was in my mind. Obviously I was very disheartened that I didn't get the marks and all, so I was literally heartbroken, but still I didn't give up. So in GATE 2020 I started preparing for GATE 2020. See, in my mind already I took for GATE 2020 classes, because I knew that I don't have much time, and this preparation takes a lot of time, because I am from a college where I didn't learn a lot. I am not blaming the college, because I should have learned from somewhere notes or YouTube or taken some coaching classes, but I did not learn the concept enough to crack GATE. So like this, you have to, like, we had all subjects in our college, but not prepared enough to get a good marks there to clear GATE. So that was the problem. So and then I started preparing for GATE 2020. So the problem came with me was that I had insomnia, anxiety disorder. Okay, so I couldn't sleep at night. I had anxiety problems, so it started there. So I prepared very hard. Okay, so I prepared for GATE 2020 very hard, took so many test series, literally I'm not a very intelligent person, but I worked so hard. I am a hard worker, so I did, but I had insomnia, I could not sleep, then anxiety disorder. Still I prepared, like even I couldn't sleep, I had so many problems, I still prepared, like I have to get this mark. So I remember at one day I was taking test series of TOC from Made Easy. I didn't sleep at night, I couldn't sleep at night. Then he was tossing and turning on bed. Then I woke up, got up and I started doing test series of Made Easy. Obviously I couldn't get good marks, because I was sleep deprived and all, so I was at mess. Okay, I was completely a mess. So this all went on. So I prepared very hard. I couldn't see, I left my job, my family position was not good, with economical condition, it was very bad. So still I prepared with all my heart. Then in month of January, December onwards, I think I started taking test series, full test, like this I am taking about topic test, but full length test. So January I was taking tests. So one of my friend told me that you have to get say 70 80 marks, only then you can get a college. And there I was, that day I got 35 or something, for 35 or 40, I don't remember exactly, on ACE test series. See, we all know that ACE test series is very easy, you can get good score there, but I got this mark, and I was so, like, I was at the bottom. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't do anything. Like 1 month before exam I was totally blank, nothing to, I couldn't study, I couldn't sleep. So because of all this, see, I'm not a jealous person. Like every one of my friend, everyone is working in this companies, TCS, IBM, and etc. I am not a jealous person. So they are working, this it's their choice. I did my own choice, and I am okay with it. But seeing all this, listening to that, I have to get 70 marks, like double of this marks, 70 marks. I was shattered. Okay, I was shattered. My best friend, she searched online and she told me that you can get 40 marks and you can get a college, so it's not a big deal. So because 2019 paper was easier, okay, easier to compare to this year, 2019 papers was easier. So she compared the marks and she told me that if you get 40, you can get a college. Okay, so you can, it's not like it, but still in my back of the mind I have to I was still I watch, even I went and to a movie, when my mother took me to a movie so that my mind can be diverted, but I couldn't sit through the movie, and I came back home. I was so, like, I was at the bottom, I was so stressed and everything. See, like I have given up everything, job and all, 2 years of preparation. So then it's like this. So I don't want to go on and on to make this video longer. So GATE 2020 was a total disaster for me. Okay, so 2020 was a total disaster. I got 25 point something. So general category cutoff was, I guess, 28. So 25 or 26, I don't remember. Okay, I don't remember exactly. Like this, general category cutoff was 28. So this was a disaster. After exam also, before coming the results, I didn't check. There are sheets everywhere, so you can check the marks. Like this year I checked. So I wasn't there at that position. I didn't check the whole marks also. So the next blow that shattered me and my mother was that my father passed away. So I already was at the bottom. I didn't get marks. I didn't get qualifying marks to get a college. So I was shattered. The total world shattered when my father died. See, I am standing in a room where my father used to stay. Okay, so this was his room. I am standing here. So everywhere, everything is about my father. So even I didn't come to this room for months. Okay, so I couldn't take this. My father passed away. I couldn't, even though I'm standing here, like my legs are shaking. Okay, so like this. So so what can I say? So my father passed away not because of COVID. Okay, so no, this was pre-COVID. So don't think like I was taking COVID. So because of some doctors treatment and all, so this happened, but it was pre-COVID. My father passed away 3rd March. There was no lockdown, no COVID. So see, after my father passed away, so we went to our relative's place, and there the lockdown started. So we were stuck there. So I was like this, I will take any job, whichever comes in my way, I will take this. So think like the person who was me, obviously. So so who was so like I adamant to get a good rank and all. So I was shattered, and I thought, just give up everything, I will find any job, and whichever comes in my way, I will take it. So some friends suggested me that you have 2 years gap, who will take you, no company is going to take you and all. So I was at the bottom, and I thought any job I come across, I will take it. So like this I thought. Then I came back home after the lockdown. In between lockdown, I think in May, I think April or May last year, I came back home. So I don't remember. I was so my memory was faded like this. I don't remember exactly April or May I came back home. So then after I came back home, I read a document not document, I think Quora, sorry, Quora, about my friend, how she struggled and she got CAT very good marks, 98 percentage marks, about after 3 attempts she got. So it was turning point for me, like if she can get, see this is CAT and GATE, but still the preparation, the concentration, the hard work is same, just we learn different things, but it is same. So the amount of time you take, the all the things you go through, so it's same. So in this context I will ask you that please watch Aspirants. It is free on YouTube. Okay, so please watch it. It has only 5 episodes, will not take much of your time, so please go and watch this. So you can relate to this series, so because you if you are preparing for GATE. So I read it, and then obviously it took like months to come to terms, and I never had a concentration problem, but after my father's demise I have this problem. I had this problem, or I still have that I couldn't concentrate longer. I used to keep thinking about that night, with everything like that what happened. I don't want to speak a lot about it. I am not good position to speak about all these things. So I started, see, my mother was like, what should I say, that the character is not coming to me, so that she was completely broke inside. So we had to consult a doctor, psychiatrist, I don't remember. So anyways, so my friend gave me a number of a psychiatrist, Dr. Dash. So he's the best. Okay, so he consulted with my mother, gave her medicine. She is much better. Obviously she is much better now. I consulted with him also. So I told him that last year this happened. So he was like, don't think about it, you will get I will go through your GATE examination, you will get through it, you will get good marks, so you will have not anxiety, it will leave up to me, you will not have. So like this I prepared. So for GATE 2021 I prepared, and this time I didn't tell anyone. Okay, so I was like, I don't know what came to my mind. I thought not telling anyone. Let's see, because people were asking that what are you doing. I used to tell them, yes, I am searching for some job, because it's not that I don't what this adjective, I don't believe them or something, but it was in my mind that I will not be able to do something if I told them, or like, because I had failures in my past. So I thought not telling anyone, and I was silently preparing, not enough preparing like 2020. I prepared a lot, I gave my 100%, but because of anxiety and all everything I couldn't. So GATE 2021 I did. So on the day of exam, so everyone is tensed. Okay, so I thought I will be the one at the worst, but that day I got stomach upset, but still I went to exam, and I gave the exam with my whole concentration and all. I didn't have anxiety problems. So because of all that things, I consulted with my doctor, so I didn't have any problem. So this is all about this. Then after coming home, I was checking constantly this. There are all sites which they gave the rough idea about what questions. So I did some mistakes, obviously silly mistakes I did. So the result came on March 19th, I guess. March, not exactly, I cannot remember. So see, my AIR was 6639, GATE score 450. So this, see this, you have to take my word for it, because I see a lot of people that they give a screenshot of their result in the video, but I am not good at editing and all, so you have to take my word for it. Or I can do one thing, I can take a printout of my result and do a shorts video on this. So you have to take my word for it. I cannot do anything, I cannot paste my result in this video. I'm shooting with my phone, and I will upload it from here only. So see, this is not a very good marks. I was like disheartened. Then I called my friends, obviously those people who knew. I called them. See, 2 people were there, so they told me you got good marks, you will get good college. One of my best friend, I told him that I have got this rank. So he told me, in this rank you will get only a private college. So obviously Then after that I stopped telling people that I have got this rank, but my brother posted on Facebook, and everybody came to know. So I was like, if why will I get a college, I was literally thinking about all this. Will I get a college or some, or I don't know, because I was scared also a little bit, but not scared, not that much that I will have anxiety problems, not that. So I then where the duster went. So I applied for colleges. In between this, I am doing before GATE results came out. I was started preparing this YouTube channel, because I love teaching and this is free and I could do without anything thinking about much. So I started applying colleges. Though only IITs, okay, because NITs are not open yet, so only IITs, and I didn't take any triple IIT Hyderabad form I have filled, but just because everyone was so pushing me to take that test, it's still not happened yet. But other forms, there are a lot of other colleges, but I know, because see, it's now me and my mother. I don't earn, my mother is a homemaker, so I cannot afford to take a loan, so private college is like out of question for me. So I applied for IITs only, for IITs like MTech, MS, one or two college I guess I applied for PhDs, but MS I forgot to apply a lot of places. Okay, so in like 2-3 days, not 2-3 days, a week back, I saw that IIT Palakkad was calling people for interviews. Then Indore also. In my application I gave a lot of wrong things, but because of that I didn't get a call, although I had marks. Because of my own mistake I didn't get there. Then Sitara, Bombay, I had some problem. Bombay, IIT Bombay. So Sitara, IIT Bombay, you must be knowing about this. So I was given the assignment, I was selected, but the assignment I submitted 12:02. It should have been submitted by 12 o'clock. So because of this 2 minutes gap, I got rejected. All these places I got rejected. I don't remember exactly. There are some other I haven't filled, but anyways. So yesterday was COPE round 1. So because of all these people saying that in this rank you will not get any college and all, so I was like, yes, maybe I won't get. So I was sleeping peacefully. Before that I was scared, and I talked with my doctor. He said, don't think about it, when you get college you will. So my doctor said, say, sleep peacefully, don't think much, and when you will get college you will obviously get, obviously you don't have to check everything on your mail and everywhere. So first round I woke up, and yesterday when I woke up, already the site of COPE was down. So I woke up at 9 or 10 around, so already the site was down. But then a friend told me, I was like, okay, I will not get anything, because in this rank no one gets IITs. So I was like this, because everyone told me this only, even mentors and all, everyone told me like in this rank for getting IIT is even not possible. So I was literally shocked. I got IIT KGP, like this it was written, medical, it's recording, okay, so medical imaging and informatics. See, I was like on the cloud 9. Okay, so IIT KGP on the first day of first round. This is first round of COPE, because there are other 4 rounds, then another 5 rounds, additional rounds, so total 10 rounds are there. So I thought maybe at the 10th round I will get something. I am this person, I am so underconfident, so I always think negative thinking, like that I will not get anything and all. So I was literally shocked, like I was happy and shocked at the same time. Like the first day I got IIT KGP. See, I haven't told anyone. Then I called my friend who is preparing for NEET PG. She told me, you should give status and all, you should tell people, because this is a good thing. You have got IIT KGP, it's a good thing. So what I did, I forgot to tell that I did retain and wait. It means that this seat will be there, but if you can get another better opportunity, you can have this. My mother was like, you have got IIT KGP, it's near to your home and everything is good. It's IIT and you should accept and freeze. My mother told me this, but my uncle, my mama, so he is good at all this, because he was the one who told me to prepare for. So everyone was like thinking that what she is doing. So like for past 3 years she is at home, like relatives, then my own apartment. I was so scared, like people what will say, so what this girl is doing. See, when people take gap and they'll face lot of failures, so it's not about failures, it's like that bang in your head that people are saying this, and I'm not a very confident person. I'm like, yes, let them say whatever say, I will not take it at my heart. So I am not that person. I am still figuring out things. So my friends also, there were friends who told me to take any job. So you are given your best. You are given 2 times enough to leave the job, and in this rank you will not get colleges. I've heard this so many times. So it's like that. I will say, see, do your best. See what is GATE is. GATE is a huge thing. If you have not prepared in your college properly, it will take time. But it is, see, if you have chosen this path, see, this is your way. People generally do what all my friends are doing, that switching from one job to another. That is also why they only chose that. And if you are preparing for GATE, this is your decision. You should be happy with it, and that I will get someday. Even if they are earning in lakhs, 10 lakhs LPA and all, so you don't have to think about that. Don't be jealous of others, what others are doing. See, even if you have money problems, see, I still have, I don't know, in future I will be able to provide something good for my mother. So I still have these problems, but still I thought of doing this, giving GATE, because I have prepared. See, bunch of notes are there, and I will show someday. I have prepared so much. I should not leave this GATE and go for find some job, because that is not right. Because I have given it my heart and everything. I should go on. And so I am telling you, if you are preparing for GATE or any other subject, any other entrance examination, you should give your 100%. Not think like, yes, so I am not getting, I am getting failures and after failures, so I should quit and do whatever others are doing. So this is not right. Okay, so coming from a person who has failed a lot of times in GATE only, so I am telling you, you should not give up, because GATE has no age limit, no number of times limit. So like IAS exam, so there are a lot of constraints there, but in GATE we don't have that. So what are you waiting for? So even if you fail once or twice or thrice, so give it your best, and then everything will fall in place. Okay, so please don't leave and don't get disheartened. If you do, please consult a doctor, and this is the best I can tell you. So if you are getting depressed and all, so please consult a doctor. As my friend, she is also a doctor, she told me all this, she was the one. I remember I was in TCS Mumbai in my home, that PG. I was crying, like my tears were falling down from my cheeks. She was holding the phone, and I didn't say anything. She pushed me to leave the job and go for GATE. So even if she is from a different zone, like she is in medical line, I am in technical line, so but still the things are same, because she told me to give up this job and prepare for GATE. She is preparing for NEET PG, so our subjects are completely different. I won't understand hers and she won't understand mine, but still that is not the problem here. She's told, she even yesterday also where I talked to her, she was so happy with my result and this. So obviously my best friends are there, so she also helped me gain confidence and all, but other friends are there. So I'll suggest you, please, again and again I'm saying this video is getting longer, so even if you are watching, so I will suggest you, give your best shot, prepare with your whole heart. Whatever comes later after exam, everyone can figure it out. I am there, I will tell you from my knowledge what you should do. For now you have 8 months, exactly 8 months. 8 months. Please prepare well, please prepare well, and give your best. See, not doing like 10 hours a day studying and excruciatingly. It's not like that. You have to increase day by day. If you start today, you will not be able to do more than 1 hour, then 2 hours, like this. You increase the number of hours, like not like exponentially, like 1, 2, 4, 8, like this, but like a simple graph, you do that. So please, I will suggest, don't think much what else are others are doing job, or others are looking for placements, and you are just preparing for GATE. So if there's a one person like me, I'll suggest him or her to please don't give up, and keep preparing, and you will get something good out of it, because this preparation will give you the best, because this time you will be the time you spent learning will always be in your heart, and this preparation phases. So please prepare well. And lastly, I want to say this, that don't give up. Even if you fail multiple times, don't give up, because someday you will get good out of it. See, I have got IIT KGP in this rank. People told me that you won't get anything, still I got, right? So what rest is coming to me, I don't know, but my future holds. But as of now, I will tell you, please don't give up. Even if I would have failed this time, I would have taken the GATE again, because this is what is, because I have prepared a lot. I have prepared everything, every test series, you name one, I have taken this test series, and I have prepared a lot. So for like past 3 years, my life has always about been GATE. So preparing for GATE. Now I like to make videos because I love teaching, and that's why I've opened this YouTube channel, only to help people. So that's why I'm telling you, please prepare well. And for other things, I will continue with algorithm. So I didn't get enough time to make videos. See, making video will so I should not rush and do all these things, because videos should be clear enough to people to understand. So I will make algorithms videos. In the meantime, you please watch other videos if you are following my videos. So even if today people are not watching, I think after 2-3 years, someday some people will watch my videos also. So that is the main motto. Even if one person is watching and doing things I am telling you, so I am happy with it. Okay, so I will continue with algorithms from tomorrow onwards. Hopefully tomorrow onwards. It's almost 11 o'clock at night now. I'm completely drained today, so I cannot make algorithm video now. So I hope I will make other video, and I will deliver you the best content, best possible. So and at the last, I will say, please subscribe to my channel. I keep forgetting to tell this. Please subscribe to my channel if you love my videos, and click the bell icon and click the bell icon, so that you can get regular update. So that's all for today. This video has become very long. I guess I'm not good at editing, that I can cut down some parts. So if you are watching this, thank you for watching this patiently, and please go on. Failures may come, don't get scared of failures. Please go on, and these days will pass. If you are facing hardship because of this COVID situation, these days will pass, and you will come out with flying colors. That I can assure you. Someday will, not today, not tomorrow, someday will definitely. So thank you.